This is a random video, and that's Zoe.
Hi.
And face reveal. Hi.
Wait. Oh,
Yay.
I'm gonna make my own YouTube channel with the help of her.
Yeah. Okay, I'm filming you, Zoe.
I know.
Let me zoom in on your face. I can see your nose. I can see your nose, Zoe.
See my nose.
No. Randomness. Okay,
Wait, show the school. Show it.
that's
Our school.
our school. And that right there is Jasmine. She's one of my best friends. She's running over here. Come on, get over here. And Zoe, get out of the camera shoot.
I'm sorry.
Zooming in. She's coming. She's coming. She's fast as Chica or Bonnie, Freddy. But I'm Jasmine. I am filming for my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
And this I'm actually going to upload very soon. So,
Which right now it's like our recess, and she has her phone out.
yeah.
Hope we don't get in trouble with kids.
Yeah.
They're coming.
They are.
Yeah, they are.
Sausage.
Sausage. Yeah, you can't.
Okay, well, bye everybody.
Wait,
And
wait.
face reveal.
Face reveal for me.
Face reveal. No, this is because I don't show my face on camera.
Why don't you?